Ever pondered how Jenkins operates and why it holds such significance for continuous integration? Well, let's delve into it. Jenkins, an open-source continuous integration server penned in Java, orchestrates a series of actions to automate the continuous integration process. It's a crucial player in the software development lifecycle, assisting in everything from building and testing, documenting the software, to deployment and beyond. So, how exactly does Jenkins work? Being a server-based application, Jenkins requires a web server like Apache Tomcat to run on various platforms such as Windows, Linux, macOS, Unix, and more. The key to Jenkins' utility lies in creating pipelines. These pipelines are a series of steps that the Jenkins server will take, forming a powerful toolset designed to host, monitor, compile, and test code or code changes. Imagine a scenario with 10 developers working on a shared repository. Without Jenkins, each developer would complete their tasks at their own pace, commit their code all at the same time, and then wait for the build to be tested and deployed. This infrequent build and test cycle could lead to delays and difficulties in isolating and fixing errors. The development cycle would be slow and manual, increasing the chances of failure. Now picture the same scenario but with Jenkins in the mix. As soon as a developer commits code, Jenkins swings into action to build and test it. If the build is successful, Jenkins deploys the source into the test server and notifies the deployment team. If it fails, the developer team gets notified of the errors. This immediate build after each commit makes it easier to detect whose code caused the build to fail, saving time, reducing defects, and speeding up the development cycle. New features become readily available to users, increasing profits. Take the real-world case of Nokia, the old phone giant. They used to implement a procedure called nightly build, where the software was built only once a day after multiple commits. Isolating, identifying, and fixing errors in a large code base was a mammoth task. When they adopted the continuous integration approach, the software was built and tested as soon as a developer committed code. Any detected errors could be swiftly fixed, streamlining the process significantly. So, in essence, Jenkins is a powerful tool that streamlines the software development process by automating builds and tests, making it easier to identify and fix errors. It's a game changer in the world of continuous integration, increasing efficiency, reducing errors, and speeding up the development cycle.